Recording in progress.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Devin Singh. I'm an assistant professor in Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, Indore. My department is the Computer Science, Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning department. Today, I'm going to discuss the software characteristics. My lecture outline is what is software product, what is software process, difference between software process and product, and software characteristics. Very first, we are discuss about the software product. What do you mean by a software product? What is delivered to the customer is called the product. It may include source code, specification, documentation, and manual document. Generally, product means finally deliverable item to the customer. And final phase of the any software is called is software product and simply defined delivered to the customer. It is called product. Generally, product included source code, specification, documentation, and manual documentation. Briefly describe what is the software product. Software product is a collection of computer program, documentation, and associated data that provide some functionality or services to the end user. Generally, software product provide the some functionality to the user or services to the end user. Generally, the software companies are two types. One is a product based and second one is a service oriented company. Generally, software product is a collection of program provide the some functionality of services to the end user. An example of software product include operating system, mobile application, video games, and web-based application are the example of software product. Developing software products require careful planning, designing, development, testing, and maintenance to ensure that the product is reliable, efficient, and meet the needs of the user. Development of the software product, we require the higher skill of planning, designing, development, testing, and maintenance that ensure to the product is more reliable, efficient, and meet all the requirement of the user. Software product classified in two categories. Very first is generic, that means developed to the sold of the range of different customers. Then second one is customized, that means developed in a single customer according to their specification. Generic application software is an example. There is a hospital management, library management, bank management, and then customized software, the categories to developed by the particular customer, just portfolio management, balance management. Particular customized software is to develop by the to the customer purpose. And second one is the term is software process. What do you mean by software process? Process is the way in which we produce the software. Process a way to develop the software. Particular process to follow to the develop the software. Software process refer to the set of activities, method, and tools that are used to develop the software product. Software process typically include planning, requirement, analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. Software process typically include the various phases. First is planning, then second is requirement, designing, coding, testing, and maintenance. Main goal of the software process to ensure the software product deliver on time, within budget, and meet the requirement of the end user. Different software development methodologies such as Agile, Waterfall can be used to implementing software process. Effective software process to help and improve the quality of the software. Further discussion about the difference between the software process and product. Very first difference software process and software product is process are developed by the individual user and is used for the professional use, and software product is developed by multiple user and used by the large number of people or customer. Process may be small in size and possessing limited functionality. It defines framework for efficient product generation. And software product consists of multiple program codes and related documents. Process life cycle is generally long term in terms of the product. Process follow various steps, requirement, analysis, design, coding, and maintenance. And product life cycle tend to be in a short term. Then coding, testing that delivered to the customer or end user. Another difference is process are developed by the process engineer. Software product is developed by the highly skilled software engineer who are large in number and work in a team. The output of the process is product. The product development occur by following process. The example of program developed by passing the inputs. An example of the software product is word processing software. Some characteristic of the software. Very first is correctness, the ability of the software to perform its intent task efficiently and meet the user requirement. The software to perform intent task efficiently and meet the user requirement. Suppose user want to the table of three. The program and software print the three table effectively and efficiently, not print seven or five any other number. Customer want three number tables, then print to the three number table. And usability, the case which user can learn, operate, and navigate the software easily. The software operate easily, not very complex. Just example, DSLR camera is a very complex to use, but mobile camera is easy to use. Reliability, the software consistency in producing accurate result and maintaining performance over time. Efficiency, the optimal use of system resources such as memory processing power to achieve the desired data. The efficiency of the software is a very high. It can perform in a very low hardware and response time is so fast of the software, the main characteristics. Maintainability, the easy of updating, modifying and fixing the software accommodate changing requirement to fix issues. Portability, the ability of the software to operate on different platforms without significant modification. It is easily to operate the software on different platforms like Microsoft, Linux, and Macintosh and different platforms easily to perform the software. The scalability, the software scalability to handle increased workload or user demand without compromising the performance. The software should be capable to handle the large number of workload or user demand without compromising the performance. And security, the software ability to protect against unauthorized access, data breaches, and potential threats. Another is modularity. The software should be performing modular. Suppose operating system, there are various types of modules, memory management module, IO management, file management. There are different types of modules. There are any types of problem in any modules, we can easily handle to the problems. Reusability, reuse to the component to the developing of the new software. Suppose we are developed the one website and we want to update this website in a mobile application. We can use to the easily the software component to the next mobile application. Last one is testability. The software development developed to the easily and finally to testable by the easily to the developer or tester. Last lecture review of the my lecture is what is software product, what is software process, difference between the software process and product, and software characteristics. Thank you for listening my lecture. Thank you so much.